Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing another Halloween makeup tutorial. So we're focusing strictly on SFX right now. I'm going to be making my very first prosthetic from scratch on camera. So that's always fun. I mean, I already understand the gist of making them, and I've made them before, on my face, using my face as a mold, and I've saved some of them, but I've never actually built one from scratch, literally making one myself, and you know, the works. And I've watched a tutorial on how to do it, and I'm gonna make my own and gore myself up with my own handmade from scratch prosthetic. And I'm really excited to finally know how to do this, because that means I can be making them from scratch and not have to buy them if I want to do something very specific. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to let you see what my workspace looks like, and you're just going to be washing my hands for a little bit making this prosthetic, and insert voiceover here. Alright, so this is the lovely workspace. You can see it's a little dirty. We're just gonna wipe it down real quick just for the sake of this video, since you're gonna be looking at it. And to be honest, this is as clean as it's gonna get. I'm sorry.
Alright, creeps, so all you're gonna need for this video for making your prosthetic is, first of all, some flour, doesn't matter what kind it is, and of course some liquid latex. There you go, you're all set.
So the last time I did a video like this was when I did my Taurus video, when I was making my own horns, and we all saw how great that turns out, right? Insert clip here. So you guys can't see my face, but I started hot gluing this piece of shit together. It's all gonna be censored out. Sorry for my profanity, but I'm not sorry, because I'm pissed because I burnt my freaking fingers with this stupid hot glue. There's your bloopers for the day. Enjoy. That is a lot. That's a lot. What am I doing? This is what I mean. This is what I mean. Things are already going bad. Things are already going. I'm just gonna, yeah. Mix the flour and liquid latex together. That's a thing. That is a creation right there.
So I had to get a little bit creative, so I started just basically pouring liquid latex everywhere and just mixing it all together in the flour on the plate, because I didn't know what else to do, and I started spraying water on it to make it easier, and it wasn't really doing anything. But I don't know, this isn't even a tutorial anymore. This is just you watching my, as per usual, my failures. And in all honesty, it looks so disgusting, does it not? I'm just getting straight up The Blob vibes right now. Has anyone seen The Blob? That movie is so disgusting.
So as you can see, this is not really going very well, but I'm not giving up. Not giving up like I did with my Taurus video. We are gonna continue, and I'm gonna keep going, and hopefully it gets better, because we're going for gore anyway. So I don't know. Next step, microwave.
So after you take your disgusting mess out of the microwave, you're gonna want to peel your latex creation off of your plate, but you're gonna want to powder that first. It doesn't matter if you use a makeup powder or the flower itself, powder is powder.
Alright, so now we have a very badly made prosthetic, and it looks like... Ah! Let's try that again. Ah! Yum. I'm just kidding, that's disgusting. Am I gonna put it like that? That feels weird. I think I'm gonna do it like that. Yeah. Alright, we are back. And yeah, I changed into a tank top and some sweatpants because now things are about to get messy on me. So we can't destroy our favorite clothing items. So moving on. Okay, what I am currently opening is a brand new package of spirit gum and spirit gum remover, because apparently you can't take this stuff off without the remover. Came prepared. I've actually never used spirit gum before, so all new things in this video. Look at his beautiful face. Beautiful. Yes. How does one apply this? First of all, how does... Oh, great, there's a brush. Okay. This sounds a little difficult. Having Chucky video flashbacks to when I had to read the instructions on camera, because I hadn't worked with transfers before. Okay. So we're literally just gonna put some of this on here, I suppose. Is my skin gonna smell like this stuff? Because this stuff smells grody. Okay. It smells horrible. It smells like straight up alcohol mixed with something disgusting. And then wait a few seconds. Tap skin gently with fingers until gum feels tacky. Tapping will speed up the process. Get tacky. Get tacky. Oh, you tacky. You tacky. You're tacky and I hate you. School of Rock. I'm going for it. I don't like those instructions. I like that better. Apparently on my channel I just do things my own way and we don't follow instructions. Told you I've never used this stuff before, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Get tacky, get tacky, get tacky, please get tacky. It doesn't even sound like I'm speaking English. Helga Pataki. Are you tacky? You tacky? We tacky. I'm struggling. That's what we do on this channel. Reference to my last Halloween series. You tacky, you tacky, Helga Pataki. It's a good thing this is getting cut out because I sound like a moron. We're rolling with it. This random giant clump of crap right here is really... There's like a growth. And I don't like it. I'm ripping you off. I can feel it peeling a little bit, the pieces that are already like down and dry. Now I know why you need to use the spirit gum remover to get this out, because that hurt. That really hurt just now. That is quite painful. Remember at the beginning of this video when I was so excited? I'm not really all like that excited anymore. Okay. Oh no. Okay, so that happened. Monkey Spinning Monkeys is playing right now. I know it. I am not even done recording this video, but I already know what music I'm throwing over top of this clip. It's Monkeys Spinning Monkeys and something else by the same composer. So I just like punch myself in the collarbone. Ugh. My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, give me a sign, hit me baby one more time. I do much better, Brittany. impersonations. That one right there was not a good one. It's a little loose right here again, but you know what? I honestly don't care. I just want to get the rest of this over with. Moving on. My luck is like trash today, so my camera died literally right after I put this on. I'm just like, really? You couldn't die before I put this on myself? So I had to wait a little bit to charge it up so I can finish this video. So here we go. Hopping right back in. Alright, so I am officially done with this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, be sure to hit the bell for notifications so when I upload every week. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.